and high settings, which is not medium or low, it is very high settings. Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Geek Master. Today we will build a 60,000 PC. What is 60,000 budget offers? PC offers is a fantastic balance of power and efficiency, making it ideal for gaming, play modern titles like smooth frame rates and high settings, which is not medium or low, it is very high settings. And the content creation like editing videos and the photos without any delay or lag, everyday productivity, efficiently run office tasks and multitasking needs. Future upgrades can create a system that can easily expandable in case in future if you want to upgrade. For this 60,000 rupees PC, we use the components for CPU. We use AMD Ryzen 5 5600G socket, which is 6 cores and 12 threads up to 4.4 GHz. As we see here, it is around 12,700. So we have mentioned, and for motherboard we use MSI B550M, which is Wi-Fi, so you don't need to worry about Wi-Fi. It will connect to your router, and also it has Bluetooth. Its current comes around 10,000. Next, for RAM, we use Kingston for the 32 GB, which is very best RAM for gaming purpose, which is used as DDR4. This comes around 5,700, which is a good deal. For storage purpose, we use Crucial P3 plus 1 TB, which comes around 5,400, which is also a good deal, and it is very fast. For power supply, we use Antisport US600L, which is very powerful power supply, which comes around 2,300. For a PC case, we use Antisport Elite 1100, which comes around 1900, which have three ventilation fans in front and one in rear, and also a side glass container. For cooling purpose, we use a Cooler Master Hyper for cooling the CPU. Is our CPU AMD Ryzen 5, which comes around 1800. Instead of using the company given CPU cooler, if you use this, it will be more efficient. For graphics card, we use a JTAG Premium GeForce GTX 2050 for 8 GB. So 8 GB graphics card is more than enough, which for best performance, which comes around 22,000. As you see here, the price got hiked due to the sale was off, and moreover it around 1,000, so it won't affect our budget. We have also given the detailed description of the components which you can go through, or from this link you can get entire details from the product sellers. And performance expectations after the build is play titles like Cyberpunk, which is a large scale, and Fortnite and Call of Duty Warzone at high settings, which is not medium or low, it is high settings, with solid frame rates of around more than 60 FPS to 150 FPS. Content creation on demanding software like Adobe Film Pro and After Effects is easy without any lags, multitasking, efficient movements, multiple applications including web servers, office software, etc. coding can do that. Future upgrades, we can upgrade the RAM to 64 GB. Now we are using 32 GB, so we can also upgrade to 64. for performance upgrade to gaming. So upgrade the GPU. You can also upgrade the graphics card also for better gaming performance. And additionally, storage installation of STD for 2 TB also you can upgrade it. Conclusion: building a powerful PC for is achievement rewarded. This by this way you can build a 60,000 rupees PC for gaming and multitask purpose. We also post other builds also for 40,000 PC and 20,000 PC. You can go through our website Epic Master in blog section. You will find the latest up builds and these PS5s and 90,000, 70,000 various ranges pieces and their few details. And also you can able to contact us via other contact us page. You can leave your message here and message we will contact you. Thank you.